Hey guys, Luke here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily password protect and encrypt files and folders without any external software whatsoever. So in order to do this, you're going to need Terminal. I know a lot of people get scared whenever I mention Terminal, but honestly it's not too scary at all. All you want to do is go up to Spotlight Search and type in Terminal and then enter, and that will open up the Terminal console window here. Then this bit's quite an important step. You're going to want to type in CD space desktop, and that basically tells Terminal to look for your subsequent files that you actually want to put a password on and encrypt onto your desktop. And just as a side note to that, obviously you need to have the files that you actually want to password protect on your desktop ready to go. So then you're going to want to go down to the description and you'll find a terminal command line there. Once you've pressed enter on CD space desktop, it's going to bring you up a new terminal command line, and you're going to want to paste in the command line from the description, and that is zip space -e and then new file name .zip and then file path. So you're going to want to get rid of the bit where it says file path, and all you want to do is you can change the name here of the file name that you actually want it to output to, but you just want zip space -e new file name .zip, and then you want to drag in the file that you want to compress and turn into a password protected file. It's really simple. So I'm just going to drag this file into the terminal window here. You can just see it highlights the box here, and then that way you're specifying exactly what file name you want to encrypt, and then you just want to press enter, and then it will come up here with enter password and then a little key icon here, and you just want to type in the password that you want. As you can see, it doesn't actually show up that you've typed in a password, but don't worry, it is actually going into the terminal console here. Then you want to press enter, and then it will ask you to verify the password, and then obviously you want to just type in the password again and then press enter, and then once you've done that, it will create a new file on the desktop here. It does say zip warning name not matched and zip warning name not matched, all that sort of stuff, but you don't need to worry about that at all. And obviously it says here it's been deflated by 8%, so it's actually been compressed by 8%, so it hasn't saved much space on your computer, but obviously that's not the goal of this. So you've got your zip file here, and obviously you can go ahead and delete the original file because obviously you don't want to have the non-compressed version still on your computer, so you want to delete that. And then basically in order to open up the file, you just want to double click on it, and then it will open up your archive utility, and then it will say enter the password for whatever your file name is. So I'm just going to enter my password in here, and then it will basically unarchive the folder, and then you'll have a thing here where it says users. You just want to click on that, and there's a little file tree here. So you want to click on the name, then your desktop, and then in there you'll see the file that you've just encrypted. Now this is actually using some pretty strong encryption, so you're really not going to get in there with any brute force, but just remember, obviously because of that, Apple has no way of actually recovering your passwords. So if you forget the password, you're pretty much screwed, so don't forget the password, because otherwise you're not going to be able to get into your file. Now it's a little bit of a different method in order to do this with folders. Basically all you need to do different is you just need to compress the folder, and then you can do exactly the same method. So I've got the password protected folder here. You just want to right click on it and then press compress, and that will compress it into a zip folder. And then basically you do exactly the same thing. You go to your terminal, CD desktop, and then press enter. Then you want to obviously type in the command that's in the description down below. Then you just want to put your folder in there, and then it will do exactly the same thing, ask you for your password. You